Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner right here. After that, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. This will take you to settings. Now in settings, scroll down until you find I need help right here, tap on it. Just wait for the next window to load up. When it loads up completely, find managing my account, tap on it, and then tap on delete or reactivate my account. Tap on how to delete my Snapchat account. It will take you here. Look for account portal, which will be written in blue, just like this one right here. Tap on it. Now it will take you to this screen. All you have to do is fill in your password and then confirm the action and your account will be deleted permanently, and that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.